In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts in ManyChat. If you're cleaning up your audience, removing test profiles, or honoring a data removal request, deleting contacts in ManyChat is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the exact flow so you know what to expect and avoid accidental removals. Start by opening ManyChat and logging into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you manage more than one, since you'll be editing that specific audience. Next, head to the Contacts tab. Depending on your layout, it may be labeled Audience, but it's the same place, the full list of people currently stored in your ManyChat account. Take a moment to review the list. If you're dealing with a large audience, you can use the search bar or filters to find the exact profiles you want to remove. This makes it easier to target only the contacts you truly intend to delete. Now, select the contact or contacts you want to remove by clicking the checkbox next to each name. You can choose a single profile or multiple at once. If you want to act on the entire visible list, the master checkbox at the top will select all shown contacts. Before moving on, double-check your selection so you don't accidentally remove the wrong people. With at least one contact selected, look to the top of the page and click Bulk Actions. This menu appears once you've made a selection and contains tools that apply to all selected contacts at the same time. From the Bulk Actions menu, choose Delete Contact. This option permanently removes those profiles from your ManyChat audience. It's not the same as unsubscribing or pausing messages. Deletion fully clears the contact record from your account. To confirm, ManyChat will prompt you to type the word delete. Type it exactly as shown to proceed. This extra step is designed to prevent mistakes and ensure you really intend to remove those contacts. Finally, click delete again to confirm. ManyChat will process the request, and the selected contacts will disappear from your list. If you've removed a large number, give it a moment to complete. You can search again to verify they're gone. Keep in mind, this action is permanent. Once deleted, those contacts and their associated data are removed from your ManyChat account. If you ever need to keep someone's history for reference, review carefully before confirming. And that's it. Open ManyChat and log in, go to Contacts, select your profiles, click Bulk Actions, choose Delete Contact, type Delete, and confirm. You've now cleaned up your audience safely and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.